I am Igbo, Jamaican reggae icon, Buju Banton reveals. Jamaican reggae icon Buju Banton has revealed that he has Igbo heritage, tracing his roots to the Igbo tribe of Nigeria. During a recent appearance on the popular Drink Champs podcast, co-hosted by Nore and DJ EFN, Banton discussed his cultural lineage, stating that his tribe, the Maroons, originated from the Igbo people. Banton expressed deep concern over the current situation in Jamaica, where he claims that the indigenous Maroon lands are under threat. According to the reggae legend, the Jamaican government is allowing Chinese and other foreign entities into their region, leading to the displacement of the Maroon community. Buju Banton said, "Our indigenous way of life and our land are being threatened by the current government of Jamaica, which seeks to bring Chinese and other nationalities into the cockpit region, which is an indigenous sacred region, to usurp us the Maroons as the warriors. Maroons are some of the indigenous warriors on my island. We fought the British relentlessly. We are called Black Maroons. My generation originated from Nigeria. I am an Igbo man, according to my bloodline."
Our indigenous life and our indigenous way of life and our lands are being threatened by the current government administration of Jamaica, who seek to bring Chinese and other nationalities into the cockpit region, which is an indigenous sacred region, to usurp us, the Maroons, as the warriors. So
a Maroon?
Maroon are some of the indigenous warriors on my island. We fought the British relentlessly.
Those are the Moors?
Maroons are from, we're called Black Moors, but my generation originated from Nigeria. I'm an Igbo man according to my bloodline.